Notebook from Google will definitely change the way you work, you study, everything. If you don't know it, you have to check this out because this is absolutely mind-blowing and groundbreaking. And it has an update. This is what I'm going to teach you today. Sign up with your Google account. Let's check out the interface. Upload your sources. It can be a URL, your data, Google Sheets, a podcast, whatever you like. You have a limit of 50 per note. Once uploaded, you immediately have a summary. Ask for a study guide, for an outline for a presentation. Ask it to relate information. You can do whatever you like. This is absolutely amazing. Even ask it to make a podcast. Wow! And the conversation is natural and so interesting. What is this update? Can it get any better? Yes, it can. You can now ask direct questions to the podcasters. How mind-blowing is this? You can direct the conversation whatever you like. How? Just follow me. Click join and ask your questions.
Welcome to another deep dive. Today, we're going to try to give you a superpower.
Ooh, a superpower.
Yeah, a superpower. The ability to read people like a book. Imagine eye contact and leaning away. That's a cluster.
Yeah, that's signaling discomfort or disagreement much more.
Oh yeah, let's hear it.
Do you have to know the person to understand the gestures and know what they mean?
That's a really insightful question.
Yeah, it's something to definitely think about.
The short answer is no, you don't have to know the person to understand their gestures.
Okay, let's unpack that a bit.
There are many universal nonverbal cues that apply across people and even cultures.
Like a smile generally means happiness.
Exactly. But knowing the person can definitely add a lot of...
Hey, yeah, what's up?
Does culture play an important role?
Absolutely, you're spot on.
Understanding cultural context is crucial.
It's like adding a whole new dimension to reading people.
And it's definitely something we'll be diving into today.
It's like real.
Google has outdone itself. This is wow. So don't forget to check out my playlists. I have so many amazing tools for you. If you like the video, do like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best AI tools for you and your projects. Thanks so much for being here with me in my journey. Bye-bye for now.